Welcome to week one, January 5th. I guess last week was technically week one, but today is January 5th, and we are making the move. Daybreak Beauty is making the move. I am making the move. My brother is helping me move. We are moving from our fulfillment center in downtown Los Angeles to Fulfilled by Amazon. It is a big move. It's a lot of things. So everything first is gonna come back to my home office, and then we need to send it to Amazon. I know Amazon is a controversial platform, but for small businesses like mine, to have the Fulfilled by Amazon and we get the Prime stamp is going to be huge for us. So it is going to be a move, it's a process, and in the meantime, between the time that it's at Fulfillment Center until it's at Amazon, we will be doing the fulfillment ourselves, which is, when you're really busy, it is a full-time job. Anyway, let's go get my products. Wish me luck. All of my babies are back. Yay. It's like dropping them off at daycare, and now they're back home. That's a dumb analogy. Okay, we're back. This is not a step back, this is a sideways step. No, there's no stepping. But that is, our fulfillment center is officially back for the moment we are moving to FBA. This is Steven. This is my brother.
Hi.
And co-founder, and today was the muscle, half of the muscle in getting all of this back. Which I said earlier, kind of feels like this is our photo studio for now, a warehouse. Kind of feels like a turtle out of its shell. It just feels so, I mean, our pins are pretty small to begin with, but it just feels like, oh, look at those cute little boxes. That's all of Daybreak Beauty. Anyway, what a founder day. Tomorrow I have a job styling hair, so this week is gonna be a little nutty, but then the end of the week there's a John Frieda event, which I'm gonna bring you with us. So I haven't worked since last year, and I don't remember the last job I had of the year, what that was, but I just wanna peek, 'cause it's been a second. I always have this anxiety that I'm gonna go to work and I'd be like, oh, I don't have any brushes. So here's my brush, my extension cord, I have a blow dryer. As long as I have one flat iron and one curling iron, I can kind of make anything work. So that looks good. And this is my Away bag, which I have been using Away forever. I love them, and these suitcases, because I use them so often, they really take a beating in these. I love that I can bring it in, although I never do, because they don't really break. I have combs, I have hairpins. This is my set bag. What I take to, after I get someone ready, we follow them to set and give them touch-ups, so this is what I take. And then as long as I have one volumizer, one hairspray, a gel in case someone wants to do a slick look, I'm good. My scissors here, hairspray, and then all I have on the side is hair extensions. And tomorrow I'm working with somebody who has blonde hair. So I have one bag with blonde hair, one bag with brunette, dark hair. So I just need to make sure that I have my little blonde bag and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna put this by my front door. So tomorrow when I'm tired, my call time is 8:30, so I need to get on the road by 7:30. So I'll be up at 6, so I won't have to think about this tomorrow. Anyway, it's my pre-work kit check system. I am outside of the Mare Salon in West Hollywood, and they're having an event today for Roz, the hair care company that is founded by a coworker or colleague of mine, Mara Rozak, and I'm sure you've seen it. They're in every Sephora, and they are just launching the Salt Scalp Scrub, I believe it's called Salt Scalp Scrub. And they're having a little event today for it. I'm meeting Toby. I did Megan Ferguson with her, and we're gonna grab lunch after. So today is the Roz event. Tomorrow is John Frieda event. So there's two, it's award season, so this is what happens during this time. All right, let's go in.
Yeah, like 30 years.
Oh, we're gonna go to lunch and come back. Right. So you're
crazy.
Look, that's my wife's initials in a heart. How cute. What a cute little thing. And it's like they had dark or light denim and I chose the dark denim. Yeah, it's super cute. Little fitted jacket. I got one oversized and I just feel like I look a little dumpy. And then I did a restock of some of my favorite Rose products. This, which I've shown you before, is a staple in my kit. I start every hairstyle with this, kind of like the way you think of a primer for makeup. This is, I love this. It's root lift spray, but I put it everywhere. It's just so lightweight. It's a great base for any styling. I got, oh, this is new. I don't know what this is yet. It's collagen and hyaluronic acid packets, mango lemonade flavor, parallel. So I'm excited to try that. I got milk hair serum, another favorite of mine. Super lightweight lotion styling cream. It's just a beautiful product. It's one of my favorite. It takes away frizz without weighing your hair down, which is lovely. I got a styling oil, and then, oh, I got a treatment oil, which is a heavier, the treatment oil is like a lot heavier and thicker. If my hair is feeling really dry on the ends, I'll put a little bit of this, or I could like slug it and do it from roots to ends. But the styling oil is lighter weight, so it kind of works for people with fine to medium hair. And if I just want a little bit of shine, I also love mixing the milk and the styling oil together. That's a beautiful combo. Anyway, I love Rose products. Thank you, Rose. The day and the jacket, and yeah, to John Frieda tomorrow. Thank you so much.
She actually did have a show. I don't think she's gonna get.
Whew, just got home from the event. So cute. Very excited about the new packaging and scents in the new iconic formulas from John Frieda. Thank you guys for having me. I can't wait to try the new products in here and put the old ones back in my kit. Okay, so this is what I got at John Frieda. I just thought I'd take you through the new products really quickly. I am definitely gonna be using this. I am a brunette, and my sister-in-law has blonde hair, so I'm gonna give this to her. So this is one of my favorite products, Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream. It's just a great lightweight. It does exactly what it says, takes down little flyaways. I love this stuff. These are the stylers, Curl Reviver Mousse, Smooth Operator Blowout Spray. I love this one, super lightweight. And then this is a styling spray. defines and adds bounce to curls. These, you know, the iconic frizzy serums. This is weightless. This is extra strength. These are the legends of the brand. Daily leave-in conditioner. And then I'm really interested in this, Ultra Filler Plus. Plums overall thickness by 200% and provides heat protection with biotin and hyaluronic acid. What? This is incredible. Scalp serum, thickening spray, and then shampoo and conditioner for finer hair. That is very interesting to me. But basically, you know, they've replaced the old school heavy scents with what they're calling Aura Boost technology. It's designed to actually make you feel more energized and empowered while you're doing your hair. It's like a little mood shift in a bottle. And then, you know, their new mission, it's about salon attitude every day. It's all about that like unstoppable feeling when you leave my chair and making sure you can recreate it at home on like a Tuesday. And then the new packaging, it's so much more high end and shelf worthy, but it's also sustainable. So they've reduced virgin plastic and made the bottles more inclusive, easier to use, which I love as a founder, the innovation. And then they've really, you know, cleaned up the legend. The Frizzies we've known for years is now totally vegan, free from harsh chemicals. It still has that salon grade performance. These are blowout bomb baddies. So these are great. And I'm so excited about the updated scents, packaging, and yeah, welcome back to my kit, Frizzies. And now I have this big stack of boxes that I have to get to UPS within the next hour or so. So very glamorous life. I'm here at CVS and just looking at all the tools. I don't really shop at pharmacies or drugstores for hair stuff. Is there something you want me to test out? Like, there's all these interesting irons. Like, what is this? Airflow styling iron. $90. Yikes. Anyway, something here that you're interested in? Getting my cake? Will not be that. One of those days. Ran to work this morning. God, I look like I've been running all day. And went and did Hayden Panettiere for press day. Then raced home, packed orders. Then drove to Alyssa Milano. And now raced home. Just left the post office. Whew. It's a triple. So I just wanted to end the week here. I am reading this American Spolino. I am not fluent in Italian and I definitely am pronouncing this wrong. But this is by Evan Funky, a masterclass in homemade pasta. And it's beautiful. We have an upcoming dinner party and my wife is an incredible cook. And we're thinking maybe we'll make strozzapreti, which is like kind of like these little ropey style shapes, which I didn't know, but it literally translates to priest stranglers. Insane, but they're so good. This is a really fun, pretty book if you're a cookbook fan. Yeah, so many good ideas in here. Oh my God, I'm vegetarian, but that looks very good. God, I love carbs. Thank you for following me along this week. I'm still getting used to vlogging and I'm a little shy in public to take videos of everything, but I'm gonna get used to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please, I'm really gonna do my best to grow this channel and I think I have some really fun content coming up. I just interviewed a legend in the hairstyling industry, so that's ahead. And please subscribe, like, leave comments. Let me know if there's something that you would like to watch me film. I was thinking maybe a tutorial on how I get waves to last on set for when we have like 12-hour days. I think that would be really interesting. And I also want to do a roundup of my favorite blow dryers. So let me know. I'm open to anything, and I have a 25 years of knowledge circling around this little noodle. Back to noodles. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.